Hi, I'm Jeff McIntyre, proprietor of Rolling Stone Pizza. Well, the restaurant, we're a wood-fired pizza restaurant primarily. It has a North American feel to it combined with the Italian wood-fired pizza. The food, we have pizzas, pastas, salads, really nice chicken wings, and we put a lot of time and effort into developing these. This is our second branch. Quite like the taste of our food. I think you should give us a go because we have a friendly family environment here. We have high quality ingredients. We're very centrally located near Blueport, about a block away. You can walk, park your car and come in for a nice pizza.